welcome back to another hot video. So today we're going to be doing something that's much needed. I'm going to be this is going to be, I guess, an episode of Ghetto Fix It. Episode being lighting. So today I'm going to be making a DIY ring light because I don't feel like I'm at a place where I'm ready to invest in a ring light, but I do need one. I do use an industrial light that, you know, isn't doing the best for me, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's get on to the video. Alright, so I'm gonna go over the materials that we need, or the materials I got. Right here I have like a reef outline. This was like maybe $2 at Walmart. We got some zip ties, and then we got the lights. I got these off of Amazon. I feel like they were like $15. We also have some aluminum foil. You don't need to get this exact brand of aluminum foil. You could purchase some from the dollar store. So let's do this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some zip ties. So you're just gonna go ahead and use the zip tie to attach the light string all the way around until you run out of light string. You just want to leave maybe like another 4 or 5 inches at the end, so you'll be able to plug it into the wall, just like this. Alright, so now the reef is covered in the lights with the zip ties. You need to put some aluminum foil behind it so the light can reflect back off of it. So right here you see me just making the foil into smaller sheets, so I'm able to better wrap it around the reef. So as you can see, the zip ties are hanging out, so we're just gonna go ahead and clip all of those off. We don't need them. Now we're gonna get some tape. There you go. And we're going to tape the foil to the reef. You're gonna want to get in between the different rings to make sure this is secure, and just continue until you have it completely covered with foil. Something that I don't do in this video that I suggest that you do is after you finish applying the foil to the back of the ring light, you should go ahead and cut out cardboard in the back to help the foil be more sturdy. All right, so it's time for the grand reveal. All the pieces are together. Here's the adapter. We're about to just plug it in and see what it is. Okay. All right, so I turned off the light I was using, and I'm about to see if this works with you guys. Hopefully it works, and I didn't just waste about a half an hour of my time. But you know, let's see it. It's plugged in. It works! Oh my god. Is she legit? Is the light better? Ooh, she bright. Yeah, that's real lighting. Oh! Crafty, but make it fashion. I love it. And I can lower the dimness. Ooh. No. It's very blue though. Definitely gonna have to adjust the lighting on the camera, but baby, we're cute. Can you see me? Cause I can see you. All right, well this worked. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and conclude the video. The ring light worked out pretty well. I need to locate the paraffin plastic that I purchased to make it a little less cool and give it a little warmth. But yeah, so if you don't feel like buying a ring light right now, you feel like your funds, your pockets aren't doing it for you right now, you could definitely buy, do this little hack for like what, 20 bucks? I don't see a problem with it. All right, so let me go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. turn your post notifications on, and don't forget to stay blessed. Don't stress and let God take care of the rest. Deuces. Pero you're canceled. What is it? It was a little rough, that ended.